Hello YouTube team. My name is Shehzad and my channel name is Shehzad Said. I have been working on YouTube since 14 April 2019 and I have more than 700 videos so far. My channel link is also visible here. Unfortunately, my channel has been demonetized due to reuse content. Now, I want to show you some of my videos content in YT Studio. All these videos are made in my own personal. These videos are originally created by myself with my own voiceover. You can also see the main page of my channel where all my videos are made. Dear YouTube team, now let me tell you about my software where I make my videos. The name of this software is VSDC. On this software, also write the channel name and also put the logo of my channel. You can see all the slides that I use to make my videos. And I use download music from YouTube audio gallery on my videos. To record the sound, I used Audacity as you can see in this video. That's how I make my full video. I hope you will definitely accept my channel for YouTube Partner Program and monetization. Thank you.